His Excellency, the High Commissioner of Tuvalu to Fiji, members of the High Commission, my good friend, the roving ambassador, members of the media, Bulubinaka, and a very good morning to you all. It is my pleasure this morning to officiate the signing of the renewed agreement between the Fijian government and the Government of Tuvalu on the engagement of our retired Fijian teachers under the Fiji Volunteer Service in Tuvalu. Following the earlier agreement that was signed on the 29th April 2017 and which expired in April 2019, the Fijian government has endorsed the continuation of this assistance under the renewed assistance agreement in the education sector. The Fijian government is also grateful to the Government of Tuvalu in continuing to engage our Fijian volunteer teachers following the expiry of the agreement in April 2019 at the middle of the school academic calendar to ensure that the students' learning was not affected. Since the inception of the Fiji Volunteer Service program in 2012, the Fijian government through the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations has signed agreements with a number of regional countries, namely the Republic of Nari in 2017, the Republic of Marshall Islands in 2017, the Government of Vanuatu in 2016, and the Government of Tuvalu in 2017 for placement of retired volunteer teachers and nurses. The reports that has been submitted by the Tuvalu Ministry of Education on our retired volunteer teachers highlights their performance and the positive impact it has in Tuvalu, and this is something that the Fijian government is proud of. Fiji has a long history of teacher training and the establishment of a system of school under the grant in aid scheme for more than 100 years. For many years, Fijian teaching training institutions have contributed to the training of professional teachers from primary to secondary schools level, not only for Fiji, but for many of our small island neighbors, including Tuvalu. It is only right that many of our smaller island neighbors look towards Fiji and it comes to education, especially teacher training, and now for assistance to train and experience retired teachers. Today's event is a testimony of Fiji's commitment to continue to assist our neighboring island nation to capacity build our human resources and our most valuable assets for our small island nation of the big blue Pacific. Volunteer and re-employment schemes for the retired workers, in particular from professions like teaching, nursing, and often from specialized areas in the civil service, is common across the world. It is a win-win situation and one that needs to be expanded to ensure our retirees continue to contribute within their area of expertise, only this time to another of our island neighbors. This means that there is a meaningful exchange of expertise in a situation where our smaller Pacific island neighbors benefit from Fiji's brain trust. My ministry has started consultation with other government ministries towards further employment opportunities for our retired personnel with the Government of Tuvalu. Meetings were also held with diplomatic missions based in Suva to explore possible opportunities for joint initiative arrangement to ensure that such collaborations between our small island nations remain sustainable into the future. I look forward to the continuation of this scheme and its expansion in the years to come. I thank you, Excellency, and the team from Tuvalu High Commission in Fiji and other stakeholders for your contribution this morning. Vinaka, and thank you.
The Minister for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations, Youth and Sports, Hon.Parveen, Kumar, Bala, the roving ambassador of Fiji, His Excellency Esala Teleni, Permanent Secretary Osea Tawar, senior government officials who are here with us from Fiji, media, ladies and gentlemen, Talofan Tulanaka. It is my pleasant duty and honor this morning on behalf of the Government of Tuvalu to participate in this signing ceremony of the Memorandum of Agreement, renewed partnership between our two governments, the Government of Tuvalu and the Government of Fiji, for the recruitment of retired teachers from Fiji to come and assist Tuvalu in its efforts to enhance the quality of education in Tuvalu for the next 2.5 years. Education is one of the 13 main priority areas identified under Tuvalu's National Strategy for Sustainable Development 2016 to 2020, known as the Garden 3. And in this priority area of education, the main goal is to provide high quality education for our students in Tuvalu. This partnership agreement between Tuvalu and Fiji has been ongoing for many years and is based on the spirit of friendship and South-South cooperation. It has been very successful and beneficial for both our countries, not only in terms of improving education in Tuvalu, but also in terms of strengthening the long existing friendship between our two countries and people. Since the beginning of this partnership, Tuvalu has continued to witness high and steady pass rates of primary school students, as well as the overall improvement in the standard of education in Tuvalu. As such, today's signing marks another milestone achievement in progressing the success of this partnership further. Let me therefore, on behalf of the Government of Tuvalu, express sincere gratitude to the Government of Fiji for its strong and continued commitments to this partnership agreement. Let me also thank the Honourable Minister of Employment, the Roving Ambassador, and his staff, the Permanent Secretary also of Labour and his staff, Employment, and all those who were involved in the facilitating this event today. Thank you very much for allowing these events to happen so that we can continue with this partnership.